In this Excel video, I'm going to show you how to evenly distribute values within a range. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. So here I have some lower numbers up here above in Excel and some higher numbers down here below. I would really like Excel to help me out by filling in the data between these two numbers. And I want those numbers to be evenly distributed, if possible. Let's try it out. So I'm going to click here on D2 and drag down all the way to D16. With that range selected, all I have to do is go to the Home tab here in the Editing group. There's the Fill button. And if you click on the arrow next to the Fill button, you get some options. One of those is Series, and that's what I want to choose. In this case, I want the series to be linear. And what's the step value? By default, Excel just examines the lower number and the higher number and figures out what the increase needs to be from D2 to D3 to D4, etc., so that we get an even distribution from D2 to D16. So all I have to do is click OK. I don't even have to type anything in step value. I'll just click OK, and it worked. And if you look at the difference between these two numbers, for example, and then compare it to the difference between these two numbers, you'll find that they are the same. Let's try it with E2 through E16. On the Home ribbon, I'll just go to the Fill button, Series, OK, and F2 through F16, same thing, Series, OK, and G2 through G16. We'll do it one more time, Series, OK. This is the fastest, most accurate way to get evenly distributed numbers from a low number to a higher number. It's a great time saver. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support my channel, the very best way to do that is to become a channel member. But you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll find more information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, I really need to say this. Thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. It's because of you that I'm able to keep doing this. Thank you so much.